Good afternoon. Welcome to today's NGX midday update. Here is a brief snapshot of trading so far on the NGX. The NGX is the Nigerian equities market. What do we have so far on the gaining side of things? Airtel Africa up 10%. CNIF, I think that's the Coronation Infrastructure Fund, up 10%. NCR is still pushing up 9.95%. University Press up 9.8%. Capital up 9.57%. On the losing side of things, Infinity Trust down 10%. Deja Vu stocks remain firmly in play. Total Energies and Giregu both down 10%. Transpower down 9.97%. And Triple G down 9.95%. So when I say the deja vu stocks, these are stocks that you see are closed down in the red during the day but end up flat because they don't have the required volume needed to move shares up or down. You need a single block transaction of 100,000 shares to move a stock price up or down. On the value side of things, Aradel 772 million naira worth of shares traded so far. Zenith Bank 502.4 million naira worth of shares traded so far. Seplat third place with 450 million naira worth of shares traded so far. Tantalizer still pushing 43.7 million shares traded so far. Sterling Sterling Financial Holding Company 18.7 million shares traded so far. And then third, you have Universal Insurance 14.2 million shares traded so far. Let's go look at some of the individual names. We start with the premium side of things. Heavyweight stocks, many of them here. Access Corporation flat at 22.25. Dangote Cement up in the green, big bounce. That's what. Let's go see the bid offer volume. Big bounce in this stock. 567 bid and 580 offered. 43,000 shares traded so far. So very likely this stock will end up end the day flat. First hold code 30.1. 4.9 million shares traded so far. MTN Nigeria marginal bounce there. What do we have? Bid price 476.3, offer price 479. 558,000 shares traded so far. Let's see where it closes today. We're seeing weakness in Seplat. I don't get why this stock is weak. Maybe we'll go check what's happening in London. Seplat bid price 5,229.4. Offer price 5,299.9. Essentially, that's 5,003. Why is Seplat weak? I just don't get it. Can we just dive deeply into Seplat London and let's see what it's trading at the moment? Down 0.76% marginal dip in London. UBA at 39.6 last price. WAPCO 132.95. Zenith Bank at 61. Bid price 61, offer price 61.55. Stock is slightly in the red, down. That's not slightly, though. That's a 3.1% decline in Zenith Bank. So that's more than slightly. Let's go see some other names. Here we go. Aradel at 700. Seems like there's a tug of war. Bid price 699.9, offer price 700. There, what do we have? CAP. I'm watching this. I think I saw a few sub. Bid price 66.6, offer price 70. So where would this stock close at today? 21,000 shares traded so far. Custodian in the red, 38.5 last price. Bid price 38.5, offer price 38.6. Is anything we need to see? Let's go see Dangote Sugar. What do we have with Dangote Sugar? 57.5 bid, 58.3 offer. That's a spread of what's that? 1 naira spread, just under 1 naira spread. There, not much. Spreads are important for trading, especially. Wider the spread, wider you see that stock trade. Fidelity Bank 19.1 bid, 19.15 offered, spread of 5 kobo a share. Fits in, I think this rights issue warming up. I'm not sure if it has started. 37.5 bid, 38 offered, spread 50 kobo. That's a tiny spread. GTCO in the green, 85.55, up 5 kobo. Guinness, we're still seeing some weakness. We'll go check Guinness in a bit. 162.5 bid, 164.15 offer. That's a spread of almost 2 naira or so. Guinness down 4.41%. It may close flat because we have 15,800 shares traded so far in Guinness. Keja Hotel Green back in the 20 naira zone, 20.5 last traded price. Let's see Len Africa. I'm watching this stock closely. What do we have? 5.86 bid, 6.34 offered. Not much happening there. NACO 105. Why is this stock soft? I just don't get why it's soft. 104.85 bid, 105 offer. That's a spread of 15 naira. Barely no spread there in that stock. NASCON at 101. Nigerian Breweries sub 70, 69.95, 68.8. That's the bid price that we have. That's the highest bid price. Name still slipping. What do we have for name? 26.95 bid, 28.85 offered. That is name. Okomu, when we see the stock close here, 999.8 bid, 1010 offer. So that's a spread of 1 naira. Abi, is that 1 naira spread? Slightly higher than 1 naira. Red Star Express seems to be dipping. Let's see where it will close. A 9.5 offer, bid price 8.6. Okay, we'll keep watching there. That's what we're seeing so far. Nothing much out of the ordinary. Trans Express 277. That seems to like be a support zone, or one of the support zone for that stock. UCAP at 17.35. UCAP in the red, down 30 kobo. UPDC in the red. Why is UPDC in the red? Bid price 5.9, offer price 5.99, spread 9 kobo. That's for UPDC. Let's go see UACN. I don't think I touched that. UACN in the green, up 2 naira. I don't think, as I said in this video, I don't think the market quite comprehends this the magnitude of that transaction. 3.27 percentage gain in UACN. Let's see where the stock will close out today. 60 naira bid, 62 naira offered. That's for UACN. Let's see the index. What's the index doing at the moment? Index is down 0.12%. Let's see where it would close, and I would end with the growth segment of things. Micure at 25.9. What do we have? 24.95 bid, 25.9 offer. That's Micure. Let's see tip so far sustaining, trading above the rights issue and public offer price. 11.02 bid, 11.63 offered, spread of 61 kobo. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. See you at market close.